Welcome to Designer Digital's Bi-Weekly Tip, July 6, 2018. This week, Getting Creative with Documenting Life Notebook Daily Stories Templates, Part 3. Katie Perteet's Documenting Life Notebook Daily Stories Template series at Designer Digitals is a trendy set of junk journal style templates. These templates are not only highly detailed, but they're also fully layered to maximize your design options. You can change the titles, add or hide embellishments, or use parts of the templates in other projects. But each of the templates has a number of text paths to provide spots for your thoughts and memories to be recorded. If you need more space for writing, there's a simple way to expand the size of the text box. And if you'd like to make changes to the type, font, size, or color, there's a simple solution for that too. Here's how. To change the size of the text box, begin by opening a template in Photoshop or Elements. Identify the portion of the text that you would like to expand. I'll zoom in on this part down in the lower left. If you were to simply drag out the text to make the text box larger, look what happens. Your text gets distorted. You're going to have kind of a funhouse effect going on. So to expand the box without distortion, locate the text path that you want to alter, and then find it highlighted over here in the Layers panel. Double-click the T icon on the left side of the layer. This highlights the entire text within the box, and with the text highlighted, you can now drag any of the handles of the bounding box out to resize the box, but the text will remain in proper proportion. This is the same technique that you can use to change the text color, size, font, and alignment. Once that text is highlighted, you can make choices in the text options. This will be found at the top of the editing window in Photoshop. So they'll be right up here. You can see you can change the font here, the font size here, the alignment here, so you can be center or left aligned. And when you're happy with the changes, then you just tick this check mark to confirm. In Photoshop Elements, you'll find the text options at the bottom of the editing window in the tool options. If you'd like to change the font used on all of the text boxes, here's how to save yourself some time by changing them all at once. With the template open and the Move tool selected, scroll down the Layers panel and click the first text layer that you encounter. It will have a T icon on the left side of the layer. Click to select that layer. Continue scrolling down the Layers panel to find the rest of the text layers. And with the Control key selected, or on a Mac system that's the Command key, click each of the text layers to select them all at once. So you should end up with a number of highlighted or selected layers that have a T icon on the left side. Now change to the Type tool by pressing the letter T on your keyboard. Or you can click on the Type tool in the Tool panel. In the Tool options, select a new font. So I'm working in the full version of Photoshop, and I'll come up to the top. If you're in Elements, go back down to the bottom for your tool options and choose a new font from the drop-down menu. Now, I'm going to choose something really different just so you can see it on the video screen. You can also adjust the size of the font here and choose a new color if you like. So if I wanted to come in with blue, make it a new color, you do it right here in the font color picker. Whatever options you choose will apply to all of those selected type layers, and this is so much more efficient than making the changes to each text box individually. Knowing a few of these tricks for customizing the text will help you preserve your memories using Documenting Life Notebook Daily Stories Template Series. Thanks so much for watching this week's video, and be sure to check back in 2 weeks for another Designer Digitals tip.